My name's Jonathan Bashforth. I'm the Head of Compliance for EMEA and also the MLRO, and I work for Landesbank Baden-Württemberg, or LBBW. LBBW globally is sort of 10,000 employees, most in Germany. Obviously the centre of gravity is in Germany as well. Our challenge was very simple in that our existing system reached end of life. So it was a group company developed the software. I think by the end we were probably the only global user. So we had to find a new system. We sort of went through the various processes, pros and cons, and actually cost is one factor, but the functionality and all the other factors that actually make Fenego a real sort of market-leading system, that's really what ultimately led us to choose Fenego. It worked pretty well. I think it was about 3 to 4 months probably overall to do it. We migrated all our data electronically, and yeah, for context, the last time we transitioned a platform to the previous AML platform, I think it took 7 months to manually input all the data. It was literally sort of take from one system, manually input into the next system. So technology is a blessing. We have a simple sort of all cloud-based environment. So the Fenex SaaS solution, I would say I feel very lucky that we went straight into Fenex and the SaaS version versus on-prem. That was perfect for us. You can change things so much more easily in Fenex now. Before we had to continually patch software, we were reliant on the third-party provider to decide that we needed something, whereas I think Fenego does a great job of interacting with clients to find out what are the problems, what needs developing, you know, what can you do for us, and that two-way exchange is really key, I think. Roughly 85% of our clients are low-risk customers. There are periods when we have to renew a whole load of customers in a particular. It's quite lumpy as sort of the renewal profile. You know, we want to be able to make that experience a lot easier, both for the clients and for us during that period. And I think the AgenTek AI will really help us with that. What I can tell you is that the user experience is like night and day. User of the system internally, we're having to continually patch the software's on-prem version. Having that cloud-based, having it continually enhanced, very operationally resilient, very robust in terms of the infrastructure, and then also having, for example, I had no idea that you guys have a regulatory advisory team so I go on the kind of updates on a monthly basis. It's great to be able to tap into that knowledge and then the wider client base as well.